Billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz, and today I am presenting a lecture on the topic heavy water production. Also, I want to introduce my YouTube channel of entitled Chemical Engineering EdTech, and I have discussed different topics related to chemical engineering. And in title of these topics, you are watching at background pages. And also I have a special offer for my viewers. If you want to understand a topic related to chemical engineering, then please WhatsApp to me that topic name. I will try my best to cover it. Jazakallah. And after subscribing my channel, you will get my latest videos. In this video, I am going to discuss heavy water production process, and you all viewers know that oxygen plus hydrogen is equal to water, but hydrogen have three isotopes. The first one is protium, the second one is deuterium, the third one is tritium, and we will deal with the second isotopes, which is deuterium. So heavy water is that water which is enriched with deuterium, and that water also called chemically deuterium oxide, and that water is colorless, odorless liquid, and for living organisms it's a poison. And heavy water is excellent for neutron slowing down, and its efficiency is 4 times greater than graphite. So more powers may be generated from a reactor if heavy water used as a moderator than other materials. As a coolant, heavy water behave same as light water. So some properties of heavy waters are under below. Its boiling point is 101.43 centigrade, and freezing point is 3.82 centigrade, and specific gravity is 1.1045. And disadvantages of heavy water is high cost and its volatility, but it's a permanent asset of rather than consumable moderators, because very little lost during operation. Attention please. Heavy water must be guarded against any form of contamination. Usually heavy water handled under a blanket of helium gas, and following methods are used for heavy water production. The first one is electrolysis of water, the second one is distillation of water, the third one is distillation of liquid hydrogen, followed by burning deuterium enriched hydrogen in oxygen to produce heavy water, and the fourth one is chemical exchange of deuterium between water and hydrogen, and the fifth step is chemical exchange of deuterium between hydrogen sulfide and water, and the sixth one is chemical exchange of deuterium between hydrogen and ammonia.